Hello and what is going on, lovely people of the internet? It is HOOTMONEY here with another video for you guys today. Today we are going to be talking about Torchlight once again, and we are going to be talking about its massive short squeeze potential as well as the preferred stock dividend that they are going to be giving to its shareholders on June 24th. Now, you need to keep in mind a few things which we'll be going over in this video. So if you guys enjoyed these constant updates, I highly appreciate that early thumbs up, as it helps with the YouTube algorithm. It helps me get noticed as a smaller content creator on this platform. And yeah, it's the #1 thing you can do to help me out here on this channel. Now, let's get right into the video. So Torchlight will be merging with Metamaterials, and in this process, Torchlight will be liquidating its assets in order to get Metamaterials listed on the NASDAQ exchange. So by owning Torchlight stock, you get access to Series A preferred stock, which is basically an IOU, which says that in the later date, once Torchlight liquidates all its assets, we will pay you a dividend. Now, you will also be receiving a placeholder dividend in that place until you actually get the real preferred stock dividend, which comes at a later date once Torchlight liquidates all their assets and they know how much they can pay their shareholders. Now, there's been estimates that this dividend can range from either $1 a share all the way up to $20 a share. Now, I'm not here to tell you I know what this dividend's gonna be, but I've seen some solid due diligence saying that it'll be around $4 to $5 per share, and considering that the stock was trading at about $2 a share just a few weeks ago, that's an absolutely insane dividend. And even at the price that Torchlight's at right now, at around $10 a share, getting a $5 dividend, that's like a 50% dividend. So that's a great return. So that's one reason that people are really liking Torchlight right now. Now, in order to qualify for this dividend, you need to own the stock by June 22nd and hold it throughout the trading day on June 24th. If you only want to be in for that dividend, yes, you have to hold for that period, and you can even sell it on June 25th in pre-market. So you just have to hold it through June 24th. Now, there's also the short squeeze aspect of this, and we're going to be talking about how short sellers are pretty much screwed by shorting this stock. So we did a video on this earlier, and we basically found out that most short sellers are in at around $2 to $3 per share on this stock. So they're already in the hole for about $7 a share. Now, when you sell a stock short, you have to pay that dividend because you're borrowing that stock from someone else and selling it to someone else. So basically, two people own the same stock when you short a stock, and someone's gonna have to come up with that second dividend payment. So that's gonna be the short seller in this case. So if this dividend payment is $20 a share, then short sellers are gonna have to pay $20 a share in dividends, and most of them got in shorting the stock at around $2 or $3, like I previously mentioned. Now, I don't think it's gonna be a $20 dividend. That seems like a very high amount. I'd say to be happy with even a $1 dividend, because that would still put shorts in the hole for a lot of money, and they're already in the hole for a lot of money. So what shorts are likely going to do to prevent this is, before June 24th, they are likely going to cover their short position in order to get out of paying that dividend, which would then induce a short squeeze in a certain time frame. So that's basically inducing a short squeeze within the current week, which is absolutely insane. So you're buying Torchlight because you want some free money. You want that preferred stock dividend, huh? Well, I've got this other opportunity to get you some guaranteed free money, and that's by using the links in the description and the pinned comment section to sign up for Public, where you get up to $70 in free stock just for signing up. That's a better deal than Torchlight if you ask me. Anyways, Public is an amazing investing application, much better than that of Robinhood. It's my favorite application to use on my phone in general. When I'm just looking up stocks, I'm using Public instead of Robinhood now. We're building a YouTube portfolio over on Public as well, so if you guys subscribe to the channel, you can vote on where I'm going to put $100 into each week. So I have a lot of fun with that. It's also an investing social media, so you can follow people, you can follow me, you can follow other content creators and see what they're holding, see their stock picks. You can see what people are talking about. You can actually ask CEOs questions because they have CEOs from time to time come on the platform and take questions from the users of their platform. So all in all, it's just an amazing investing application. It's like Twitter, Robinhood with great customer service all in the same place, and I am absolutely ecstatic about Public's future. They're growing rapidly, got more to come, and yeah, that's about it. Up to $70 in free stock using those links below. Let's get right back into the video. When you compare this to something like AMC shorts are on average in the hole for about roughly the same. Like, they're also deep in the hole, with AMC shorts shorting the stock at around like $10 a share for most of them, and now AMC is trading at above $50 a share, so they're really in the hole. Well, Torchlight, it's the same thing. It's trading at around $10 a share, and most shorts shorted the stock at $2 to $3 a share, so they're really deep in the hole. But Torchlight's short squeeze, on top of what we already just talked about right there, it's basically an induced short squeeze, because in order to get out of the dividend, they're going to have to cover by the end of the week, by June 23rd. So to me, it just looks like, on paper, the Torchlight short squeeze has everything that the AMC stock short squeeze has going for it, but it has this huge liability for short sellers this week occurring. So I think there's going to be massive short interest wiped out on this stock this week, because short sellers are going to be afraid of paying that dividend. Now, the other huge argument for buying Torchlight is that it exchanges 1-to-1 for Meta Materials stock. And Meta Materials is definitely a very promising company, much more promising than Torchlight itself. I'm not going to get into the details of what exactly Meta Materials is. Maybe I will at a later date, another video, but not in today's video, because today we're just talking about the squeeze and why this stock has an insane short squeeze, nothing like I've ever seen before. And I've been looking at these short squeezes for a while now, and let me tell you, this Torchlight short squeeze is absolutely unique. Nothing I've seen compares to this, and I'm really excited to see how this one plays out. I'm going to be looking at this one all week. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to get into Torchlight as of yet. Maybe I'll throw a few $100 in it just for fun, but I kind of feel like I've been gambling a little bit too much. I'm definitely not going to be buying this one on Robinhood, because if I do get into this stock, I'll likely try to sell it on June 25th in the pre-market, and obviously on Robinhood you can't trade stocks until like 9 a.m. So I'd want to be able to get out of this one before the Robinhooders come in at 9 a.m. So I'd probably end up selling it on June 25th at like 4 a.m. or something like that, have my limit sell in place. I don't know. We'll see. I don't really know what to expect, because this is very unique, like I was just mentioning. So I really just, I kind of want to play it just to know that I have some skin in the game, but I also just don't want to be too risky. Obviously, nothing I talk about here is financial advice. I'm really pumped up about Torchlight. I might buy some. We'll see. I'll keep you guys updated for sure. And yeah, that's about it for the video. If you guys enjoyed this one, make sure you leave that like and subscribe to the more. We're going to be doing more updates like this on a daily basis. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Remember, the links in the description and pinned comment section to sign up for Public, where you get up to $70 in free stock just for signing up and depositing at least $1. And that's going to be it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.